One of the things that's been really gratifying is to see the outcome of the individuals that we've worked with. So whether it be family integration, where families are able to come together and adjust after deployment, or someone who struggles with anger management, being able to be more patient and deal with conflict, or maybe someone who develops some better coping skills to manage stress and readjust to life.
The Sturm Center is a behavioral health clinic for veteran and military populations that serves all of Colorado. The Sturm Center provides many different types of psychotherapy services, including group, couples, family, individual, and child and adolescent. We also provide a wide variety of types of psychological assessment. The Sturm Center serves veterans no matter discharge status or era, service members, including Guard and Reserve, and their families. For us, families mean close support of others. The Sturm Center is addressing access to care issues by providing services at 2 locations, one in Aurora and one on the University of Denver campus. Clients can even be seen in daytime and evening hours, and we provide sessions on an unlimited basis. The Sturm Center was developed in 2015 through a collaboration between the Graduate School of Professional Psychology and the Sturm Family Foundation. The therapists are all doctoral level graduate students. Many of them already have their master's degree. And the other therapists are dedicated civilians who want to serve those who have served.
My work at the Sturm Center is important to me because I am a service member and a veteran myself, and I get to work with my peers, my brothers and sisters in arms, and assist them with transitions, deployments, family things that might be coming up, all things that I have had direct or indirect contact with myself, and it means a lot to me to be able to do that.
It's really important for us to have a diversity that we can offer to the people that we're providing services for. You know, we have individuals who have experience serving in the military, who are actively serving in the military, and then on the flip side, we have civilians who offer services as well.
Student therapists are connected with the university, so one of the benefits is we have access to all of the brand new research and practices that are coming out. We're supervised by a clinical psychologist who have years of experience in the field.
We really find fulfillment in providing services to people who are serving our country, and so I would say anybody who wants to stop by and see us, take a tour, or even get engaged in services, that we would love to meet you and get a chance to hear your story.